Understand by the word mixed economy?
Mixed economy is the economy where public and private both sectors are doing work for economic development, or we can say it's a capitalistic or socialistic economy.
Okay. और derived demand से आप क्या समझते हैं?
Derived demand is that demand when we demand a factor of production to produce another goods. For example, we can say if we demand labor to produce another goods.
Can you tell me the time period of second 5-year plan and on which model it is based?
Sure, sir. Second time period of second 5-year plan time period is 1956 to 61, and it is based on Mahalanobis model, which is totally depend on industrialization of the economy.
और bandwagon effect क्या होता है?
Oh, sure, sir. Bandwagon effect is a positive externality. When others are doing or having something, then we are also affected that we have also that thing.
Okay. GST के बारे में आप बता सकते हैं?
Yes, sir. Sure, sir. GST is goods and service tax. It is an indirect tax, and it is levied on all stages of production, and it replaces 22 types of taxes.
Okay. Can you tell me about capital receipts?
Sir, sure, sir. Capital receipts are the receipts which either create a liability or reduction in the assets.
Okay.
Capital receipts are the receipts when we borrow from we can borrow from many sources, like we can borrow from the open market, or we can say peoples, from foreign institutions like International Monetary Fund or World Bank, or we can borrow from Reserve Bank of India.
Okay.
And we can capital receipts also come from disinvestment in public sector undertakings.
Okay.
And from savings of the post offices.
Okay. Tell me about macro and microeconomy.
Okay, sir. Microeconomic, when we study at the individual level,
Yes.
then it is microeconomics, or it is a price theory. And at macroeconomics level, when we study about aggregate levels,
Okay.
here the problems are employment and GDP growth are taken.
Okay. Now my next question is, what do you mean by the word green revolution?
Green Revolution. Okay, sir. The term Green Revolution comes in 1966, and the father of Green Revolution in India is M. Swaminathan,
Okay.
and in the world Norman Borlaug. And it depends on for the variety in production of agriculture products. It mainly depend on wheat and rice, and the major benefit states are Punjab and Haryana.
मैडम बैरोमेट्रिक प्राइस लीडरशिप क्या होता है?
Sure, sir. Barometric price leadership is that leadership when a firm is very experienced and an old firm, and the price decided by that firm does not affect the interest of other firms.
Okay.
And the price decided by that firm is also benefited for other firms also.
कंज्यूमर
And-
सरप्लस से आप क्या समझते हैं मैडम?
Sure, sir. Consumer surplus is that surplus when what actually consumer wants to pay and what he actually pays is the
Okay.
difference.
फादर कौन है इकोनॉमिक्स के?
Also, okay, sir. Adam Smith is the father of economics.
कुछ बताइए।
And in 1776, he wrote a book, An Inquiry into the Nature and Causes of Wealth of Nations.
ओके. आप केवीएस के बारे में क्या जानते हैं? मैं अच्छे से बताइए.
Okay, sir. Sure, sir. केंद्रीय विद्यालय संगठन एक autonomous body है,
ओके.
which comes under the Ministry of Education, Government of India, and it is established on 15 December 1963.
ओके.
And it has now 1,252 schools, and three schools are abroad. One is in Kathmandu, and one is in Moscow, and one is in Tehran.
ओके.
And the motto of the Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan is Tattvam Pushan Apuranam, which means uncover the shadow of wisdom. And objectives of KVS are to promote innovations in education with the help of CBSE and NCERT,
Okay.
and to provide to enhance the quality of education, and its main objective is, sir, to cater the needs of special centrally government employees के students के childrens के लिए उनको, ताकि सर सेम बेस मिले एजुकेशन का.
ओके. पैरामेडिकल और डिफेंस फोर्सेस वाले जो
Yes,
बच्चे हैं.
yes, sir.
ओके. ट्रांसफरेबल जो एम्प्लॉयज.
Yes, sir.
ओके. और टू ब्रिंग एक्सेलेंस इन द
Education system.
ओके. ओके. आपने बताया एनसीईआरटी और सीबीएसई के साथ कंबाइन करके ये काम करते
Yes, sir.
हैं. तो इनकी फुल फॉर्म बता सकते हैं आप?
Sure,
बताइए.
sir. CBSE Central Board of Secondary Education, and NCERT National Council of Education Research and Technology.
Can you introduce yourself in English?
Sure, sir.
Please try.
Good morning, sir. My name is Nisha. As my name suggests, matches my personality, as I always enlighten others whenever there is darkness in their lives.
Okay.
I belong to Ambala, Haryana, which is also known as the scientific city of instruments.
Okay.
I have done my MA B.Ed with first division. I have NSS certificate for 3 years, and I was the NSS president at my college level.
Great.
Yes, sir. And I was awarded for being first in story writing competition.
Okay.
And I was an active participant in blood donation camps and cycle rallies, etc.
Okay.
Yes, sir. And my hobbies are, I love teaching, exploring new places, and meditation. And I am a jovial and team spirit lady. I am very competitive in nature, and my strengths are that I am an honest person and very punctual.
Very good. Almost wonderful answers you have given. We are really proud of you.
Thank you,
Keep
sir.
it up. My blessings to you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.